First at 4, the state Supreme Court has cleared the way for Maui wildfire victims to receive payoffs from the $4 billion settlement. The swift ruling came just days after legal arguments were heard on Thursday, stunning both sides. Daryl Huff joins us now with the latest details. Daryl.
You know, that settlement includes $2 billion from Hawaiian Electric, $872 million from Kamehameha Schools, about $800 million from state taxpayers, and $300 million from other companies. By ruling against the insurance companies who wanted a piece of the pie, the court cleared the last legal hurdle to the settlement.
I was thrilled for our Maui people. I mean, we're finally going to be able to move forward with the settlement.
The Supreme Court had to make it clear whether insurance companies who say they've already paid $3 billion in claims can either sue the responsible parties on their own or get a cut of the $4 billion settlement in advance.
So what the insurers were trying to do was cut in line in front of their policyholders so that they got paid first and that they got paid, frankly, the most.
Acting faster than anyone expected, 2 business days after hearing arguments, the court issued a brief 3-page ruling that said for the insurance companies seeking liens against each client's settlement is the exclusive remedy for getting money from those who were already paid claims.
I think the court wanted to keep it simple and get the process going forward, which we're very happy about.
The Maui insurers issued a statement saying, "We are disappointed in the Hawaii Supreme Court's ruling and believe this sets a troubling precedent that could significantly hamper the ability of Hawaii's property and casualty insurers to pursue claims directly against the parties responsible for causing the Lahaina wildfires."
They applied the law, and it was in our favor. But they didn't have to issue a decision this quickly. That is taking care of the people, the victims of the fire.
Governor Josh Green, who helped engineer the settlement, said the settlement came exactly 1 year after the fire occurred, when most felt it could take 5 years or more to reach agreement. Today's decision will help our people heal much sooner as we continue to rebuild and recover. The hundreds of lawsuits and thousands of claims now are in the hands of Maui Judge Peter Cahill, who must approve a complex system of administrators and standards to determine how much each victim is to be paid.
That entire team they're very skilled at what they do, and so I believe that it's going to be done fairly quickly.
Families of some of the people who died and applied for the One Ohana Fund will receive the earliest payments, at least $1.5 million for each fatality.
I'm very optimistic that we'll be able to start having payments by the 2nd-year anniversary.
August.
Yes, that's the goal. I think we're going to work.
There is still time for people who feel they have a right to compensation to get in on the settlement. They can hire a lawyer or wait for the process to be set up and potentially file a claim themselves or watch out for a class action lawsuit. In any case, they will have to prove how they were harmed. Daryl Huff, Hawaii News Now.
Thank you, Daryl. And the ruling was reassuring for Lahaina fire survivors that help is on the way. Lynn Kawano spoke with those directly impacted.
Survivors tell us they're relieved the ruling came faster than expected. For many, it will help them rebuild and return to Lahaina.
So this would have been my front door.
Sanford Hill's unit at Hale Mahaolu burned in the Lahaina wildfire. Hill has since left Maui. He's grateful that the Hawaii Supreme Court moved quickly and the $4 billion settlement won't be blocked by insurance companies.
Especially the kupuna. We don't have a lot of time to wait for some kind of settlement. I've had to move to Kauai. We've been dislocated.
We knew we could replace our house. We can't replace the memories, our town.
The Nagasako family lost their home and the store, known for its okazuya. Karen Nagasako says the settlement will help them rebuild the home, but they're choosing not to rebuild the store.
I wish our father could be here with us. And I'll take that any day. But this will heal a lot of people. This will help a lot of people.
Kiha Kaina's father died trying to escape the flames. His family says the settlement will help many of the Lahaina families move forward. I'm Lynn Kawano, Hawaii News Now.